In this video, we're going to go through setting up a product recommendation email campaign within your Shopify dashboard. Before we do this, you will first need to have already set up your design template within Smarter Mail. There's a link to the video tutorial on setting up your template in this video's description. So if you haven't set up your template yet, go and give that video a watch and then come back to this one. Once you've got your design template set up, the first step is to click on the Marketing tab. We then click on the Create Campaign button. Here we give our campaign a name. This name is just for your reference, your subscribers won't see it. And then click Create. We then click on Add Activity. From the list, then select Smarter Mail Product Recommendation Emails. You can now set up the campaign the way you want. First, give the campaign a name. Again, this is for your reference only. Choose which template you want to use. Choose whether you want to send the campaign to all your subscribers or just certain lists. Choose a subject line. Include some body text if you want. All the changes you make will appear in the preview on the right. Choose which day of the week you want the campaign to send, and the time. And then finally whether you want the campaign to send every week or every second week. The first email will send this week unless your selected day and time has already passed, in which case it will send next week. Subsequent emails will automatically send at the selected frequency and time based on your store's time zone. Once you're happy with the campaign, you then click Publish Activity and your campaign will be live. You can then view the stats for this email campaign and make edits to it by clicking through to it here. And that's it. You've successfully created a product recommendation campaign with Shopify marketing activities. If you'd like more help or if you have any other questions, always feel free to reach out to our support team through the blue intercom button in the bottom right of your screen. Just send us your message and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.